Hi, I'm Chris, co-founder of NutriBot, and the last few videos was dedicated for the beginners in meal prep industry. So I would like to dedicate this video for the mid and process in meal prep industry. So I would like to discuss about the marketing process. As always, I have the mind map, so please take a look. We will discuss about the marketing funnel basics. When the contact types, we will discuss about the details in marketing channel and how to use it to promote your content. So starting from the beginning, it is good to notice that this knowledge is useful if you have the product market fit. So if you are sure that your clients understand your offer, your business, your products, then you can use this knowledge. Then if you go forward, there is a basics about the marketing funnel, and it is good to understand the three main layers in the marketing funnel. The first one is ToFu, so top of the funnel, grab the attention, and it is about the taking the client's attention. So it is the first contact for your clients with your company, and it can be the performance marketing like the Google ads or Meta ads. It can be some kind of SEOs like the YouTube SEO or the search engine SEOs. Then they go to the MoFu or directly to the BoFu. It is not linear. The part of this process can be skipped. So the second part is the mid of the funnel, MoFu. It is about the keeping the attention, and most of the mid and micro companies and even small companies skip this part. So it is about keeping the attention. So the clients which take the first look at your company can connect with you and keep the relationship and build the relationship. It is called many times lead nurturing. So they should be able to subscribe to the newsletter, subscribe your YouTube channel, follow your social media profiles. And so it is all the activities which can help you to keep with your potential clients. Then we have the BoFu. So if your potential client is interested in your materials, then they can go to your website and they read about your product. So this is the landing page, so the short presentation or the presentation of your offer. And then there is the conversion. If we take a look about the contact types, because we can divide the contacts, we can name them different, depends on which layer they are. So there is a prospects, so the clients which we don't have the contact information to them, and this is the ToFu. So at this layer we don't have the contact details to these customers. So this is the whole internet in the Google browsers, for example, or all the users in social media platforms. Then we have the leads. So we have any contact, but they are not qualified for selling. So this leads, so they are, for example, they subscribe your YouTube channel, follow your social media profile, or subscribe to the newsletter. So we have some kind of contact to them, but they are still not interested directly in your offer. And then there is a deals, which is more suitable for B2B businesses, but it is the last part. So this is the BoFu, and this is the part when we present the product. Then after the conversion, we have the subscribers, and if they leave your company, cancel the subscription, this is the past subscribers. The brief shortcut: you need to remember that you will lose some part of traffic on each stage. So it is the core of understanding the marketing funnel. Now we have the marketing funnel in details, and if you remember our first video about the marketing channels overview, we discussed what kind of marketing channels you can use to connect with your clients to acquire new customers. There was a digital marketing, offline channels, different sales channels. I will link the video about that. And if you connect with all these clients, you need to understand the marketing process. So first of all, this is all the channels. So all the channels will acquire your potential customers, your leads or your prospects to your website, or different kind of MoFu channels, so different kind of marketing activities. So there is a ToFu, so you need to grab the attention. So you will go to the different channels, different layers, and you will try to grab attention of your potential clients. So you will create the performance marketing. So the Google ads or Meta ads, there can be a different campaigns with different creations. The display one, the search one, so different kind of creation, different kind of designs, different kind of campaigns. In only performance marketing, only Google ads. In Meta ads, similar. When there is SEO, so you will try to improve your search engine position in different browsers, in different platforms like the YouTube, like the Google, like Bing, and so on. And the clients can convert to a different articles, for example. When there is a referral, direct marketing, social media, and offline channels, so you need to grab the attention of these clients and put them to the top of the funnel. So they will see your advertisements, they will see your first touch with your company. After taking a look on your advertisements or the first ToFu step, they can go to the MoFu step or directly to the BoFu. So as I told before, it is not linear. So they can directly go from the Google ad to the product presentation, so to your website, for example, and they can check out, they can buy. But they can also go to the MoFu part. So what is the MoFu? If your clients go by SEO to your blog, so they should be able to subscribe your newsletter to receive notification about the new articles. If they go by YouTube's SEO to your YouTube profile, they will be able to subscribe your channel to take a look about at your new videos. If they go to your social media profile, they will be able to subscribe or to follow your profile, and they will see in different periods updates about your company. So they will be nurtured, so they will grab more knowledge about your product, about the industry, at also depends what kind of content you are creating. They will build the trust to your brand. So from the MoFu or directly from the ToFu, they can go to the product presentation and they can see your landing page. They can read about your offer, about your articles, about your products, and they can add them to the cart and pay for them. Or if they decide that maybe it is too pricey or whatever, maybe they already have the meal plan subscription and they don't want the next one, but they have seen your campaign and maybe they will be interested in few weeks. So what they should be able to do, they can go back to MoFu, because if you have the MoFu, they can go back to MoFu, they can subscribe the channel, they can subscribe the newsletter, sign up the newsletter or whatever, and they will be in touch in your company. Thanks of that, you will be at the top of their minds. Or if you don't have the MoFu, they will go back, so you will lose the contact and you need to pay once again for grabbing the attention. So you need to pay for CPC, pay for some kind of offline marketing, whatever, but you need to start the process from the beginning and you are losing the whole money spent for the first attention. Then if they pay, they will go to the active subscribers. So they are your active subscribers. You need to pay attention for renewals, because as I told in each video, it is the name of the meal prep game. But if they leave your company, they cancel the subscription, they will be your past subscribers and you would like to reactivate them in time. So again, they can go back at the very beginning and you need to acquire them once again, or they can go back to your MoFu part of the funnel and you will market them through a different channels, the social media, newsletter, blog articles, and so on. And if you take a look here, so we have the ToFu part and there is data acquisition. If we acquire the data, we can send them the newsletter, we can send them the YouTube notifications, whatever, or social media posts. Then there's a product page. So in the BoFu, they will go to your landing page and they will read about your products. Then there is a payment and the subscription. At the very end, there is a cancel of the subscription and they will go to the past subscribers. And what is important here? Many times we have a goal that we would like to have 150 active subscribers, active meal plan subscribers. We would like to build 300 active subscribers meal prep company, 1000 active subscribers meal prep company. But you need to remember about the traffic losses on each step of the funnel here, and you need to create some goals, how many clients monthly should see your product. So visitors, like the website visitors, maybe if 10% will buy, you need to 1,500 visitors, and how many CPCs, so how many clients will take a look at your performance marketing or whatever. So you need to maybe have one row more, so 15,000 of the, let's name them, ads viewers. So you need to design your marketing funnel and the goal based on the whole channel to acquire the last goal. And the last but not least part is about the promoting your content. So if you decide that you would like to build the MoFu channels, you of course need to decide what kind of creation you would like to build. So if you take a look on our marketing, we decided that the YouTube videos is really good, and you are probably watching this video because you have found us in different channels. So please take a look on that. So if you decide, for example, about the YouTube or any other content, you will create the content. But the content at all, it is not enough. After creating the content, you need to grab the attention, yes, because you create the MoFu, middle of the channel, but you need to add the ToFu. So you need to build the ToFu and grab the attention and put them to the MoFu, or if you have the past subscribers, you can put them back to the MoFu. So you need to create the content for MoFu and grab and add the clients to the MoFu part. And how you can do that? If you create, for example, the YouTube video like this, you can use performance marketing like Google ads or Facebook ads. It can be YouTube video or any other. YouTube video is the only example. So you can use the performance marketing to advertise that kind of content or any content to the clients in the internet. Then you can use the YouTube SEO. So you can create a good description, good thumbnail, good title of the video to grab the attention from the YouTube platform. Then, based on this content, it can be YouTube video, maybe the webinar or something like that. You can create the blog article or many different blog articles about the one webinar. So based on the blog articles, you can create the SEO, because you will be visible in the browsers like the Google or Bing or whatever. And again, you can use performance marketing to advertise this blog article for readers, not watchers. Then there is a social media post, so you can create a lot of social media posts to show that, hey, we have a new content, we have made a new webinar about this and that. So you can post in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and whatever you want to show, to grab the attention and show, hey, we discussed about this and that. And the other part is social media short forms. I divided it from the social media posts because it can be the new kind of marketing, new kind of channels like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. So you can create some kind of short videos to post on these platforms. And then we have the newsletter. So of course you can send the information to your clients that, hey, we have a new content, and outreach. So if your sales force contacting with the clients, they can send the content you have created. So it is how you can promote your content marketing. So as you can see, the MoFu, the content is not everything without the promoting machine. And these layers are really connected, and they are not linear. Many times you can create the performance, yes, the Google ads, they can go to your website, buy, and that's it. But most of the clients will go to your website and they leave, and you are losing the contact. So you would like to grab the contact and build the relationship. If the clients leave your company, also you would like to send them to some kind of marketing machine, and it will give you a lot of value, because the MoFu channel is quite cheap. The most expensive is creating the content, but at all you don't need to pay for ads, you don't need to pay for printing some kind of outdoor billboards or so on. So it is quite cheap and quite powerful. I hope this video will help you organize the whole knowledge, and it will help you make the decision about designing your marketing funnel. So see you in the next one. Bye.